Hello guys. Now the problem number 3 is the chain was found to be 5 centimeter too short after chaining a distance of 1200 meters. It was found 3 centimeter too long at the end of day's work after chaining a total distance of 3000 meters. Find the true distance if the chain was correct before the commencement of the work. The chain used was 2 decameter chain. So this problem is different from the previous one. Here, first the chain is too short, and in the second case, the chain was too long. So need not to worry. When it is too short, you can take value as E value as negative, and it is too long, you can take the value of E as positive. Remaining process is the same. So 2 decameter means 20 meter chain. Sometimes it is given the problem, it is 3 decameter chain or 2 decameter chain. It means 3 decameter means 30 meter chain, 2 decameter means 20 meter chain. So again, when we are going to solve this solution, again, first of all, you will write what is given. We have given true length of the chain as 20 meter. Then first case, for the first 1200 meters distance, chain was too short. The chain was too short by 5 centimeter. So for this again, we have to take the value of E error as average, because chain used was 20 meter chain. Okay, it was correct. It was correct before using the chain. Due to its wear and tear, it becomes 5 centimeter too short, maybe due to some buckling in the chain. So here we have taken the value of E as average error. First in the start, error is 0. Then after measuring a distance of 1200 meters, it is 5 centimeter too short. So here I have taken it is as plus. So this comes to be 0.025 meter is the, but it is too short. This value will be taken as negative. This is very much precaution you should take, because the chain was too short. So value of E will be negative. So when you are going to calculate the incorrect length, L dash, it will be L minus E. So L is 20 meter. So then you deduct this average value minus 0.025 meters. This comes to be 19.975. Incorrect length is 19.975 meter. Okay. Then again, you know, L into D is equal to L dash into D dash. So we have to calculate the D, the actual distance to be measured by with this chain that is too short. So after substituting these values, what we get? We get it. So now we are going to substitute these values. L dash is given as 19.975 meter. Actual length of chain, that is designated length of chain, it is 20 meter. So distance we measured, that comes to be 1200 meters. So this comes to be the actual distance that we have measured, 1198.5 meters. When the chain was too short, its actual distance is 1198.5 meters. So now we are going to discuss its second case. In the second case, when the chain was too long. How it is too long? Because due to wear and tears, its rings is opened. Okay. Then again we have actual length of chain is in the start is 20 meter. That is L. Average error, that we have to calculate. In the first case, it is 5 centimeter too short. Okay. It is this value we have to, in the start, it is 5 centimeter too short. What it means? we have take the short as minus value and the long we have to take as the positive value. So when it is too short in the start, so it is we will take it minus 0.05 meter. Then in the second case, it is 3 centimeter too long, you will take it 0.03. So this is the main thing what you have to take in mind when you are going to calculate the average value. Because when it is too short, so in the start I have told it will be E will be taken as negative. Okay, so for this comes to be 0.02 divided by 2. Okay, so here the value of E is equal to 0.01 meter. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the L dash. This come to here, I have taken as positive, but this value is come to be negative. See over here, minus is dominating here. Okay, so this value is, you will take it as negative. This is the main important thing you will keep in mind. Here now this comes to be, after substituting this value, this come to be L dash come to be, so 20 meter minus 0.01. This come to be 19.99 meter. This is the value of the incorrect length. Okay, this is important. So you know very well. So the D dash is equal to total distance measured 3000 meter, 3000 meter minus you have already measured. This come to be 1800 meter, the value of the D dash. So applying this L dash D dash, so now you will substitute the values. So we get what you will get over here. So D is given by L dash over L multiplied by D dash. Now you substitute the value. So L dash is equal to 119.9 meter and L is 20 meter. The remaining distance is D dash. Here we will take as 1800. And this comes to be 1799.1 meter. This is the actual distance of the line you have measured. So now again the case is similar. The total actual distance measured, total actual length of line, length or distance. This is given by the sum of these. In the first case, this length was 1198.5 meters. Then this come to be 1799.1 meter. This total come to be 2997.6 meter. This is the actual distance to be measured by the chain when the chain was in first case. In the first case it is too short by 5 centimeter. In the second case it is too long by 3 centimeters. Thank you.